Hey guys, Steve and Michelle here from Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. Steve, what are we doing today?
Michelle, I know we've done a couple videos now, and everything that we've kind of touched has been more on the pistol line.
Right.
So
I
we
think
thought
all we've done are pistols.
Everything we've done is pistol. So we thought we'd bring something in. Excuse me, still technically a pistol. I'm choking. However,
it's that gum that you said you couldn't handle.
This is true.
See, I took my gum out.
He just said gum with a G.
Yes.
All right. So this is going to be the Grand Power. It's called the Stribog SP9A1. So it's gonna be a 9mm, kind of like a sub gun. This happens to be a pistol, and this one is equipped with a Sig Sauer red dot on it. Charging handle is gonna be on the left-hand side. It does take proprietary mags, so it's not something that we can just go out and buy some Glock mags for. One of our clients happened to drop this off to us and told us to see what we think of it. And so in the process, we thought we might as well shoot it and make a video. So that's what we're here to do. And we're gonna have a little fun.
Okay,
Are you
sounds
going
good.
first?
No, you're going first.
You sure?
Yes, I'm going first because you make me look bad.
That's not true.
I think I'll put all four of those in the same hole.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Not great, but this is awesome.
It looked like it was shooting just a tad bit low.
Right?
So that could be the fact that it was it's not zeroed at this distance.
It's a beauty. It's a nice one.
All right.
You just barely feel any recoil.
So as it would compare to the Sig or the Scorpion, which would be probably the two most people are going to want to know about, I think my favorite is probably still the Sig MPX. I like the Scorpion a whole lot, but the Scorpion has the safety on the side that kind of eats at your finger, so if you're going to shoot it a lot, that's something, we talk about that during our Scorpion review. But it is a really neat gun. What are your thoughts on it? I mean, just in general?
I love it. It has very little recoil. It's comfortable in the hand. There's no stock adjustment, but you put your cheek on and you're right on it. You're right on sight. So
Yeah.
I like the ergonomics. So it takes a tiny bit of getting used to with the mag release, but I'm gonna give it a thumbs up.
What are you thinking?
It's my favorite thing that we've shot so far, so it didn't really have any recoil. You told me to be worried about that, but there wasn't any recoil. I really liked it, so.
Yeah. All right, so this gun's out of Slovakia, as opposed to out of Slovakia.
Bam! Just like that. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it.
We just came in just for fun. Pretty cool gun. Definitely check one out if you have one at one of your local gun shops. Definitely worth shooting. Thanks, guys. Well, by the way, what do they need to do if they want to see more of you?
If you want to see more of these videos, there's a bell at the bottom. Go ahead and hit that, and you'll get a notification every time we put one on.
I think she kind of already wrapped it up, but there's no need to go back to me.
And with the best.
Or him.